Hello. It's another thing. Show me death, the killer. Woohoo! Sorry. So today I'm going to be telling you facts about this beautiful planet and some other stuff, aka black holes, a little bit of theory about white holes, you know. I'm more into this stuff. Let's get started. So, if you'd like to, I'm just saying, like, to get this first fact in your head, so pause the video for just 10 seconds and just look at your arm or a painting in your room or some kind of object, and then imagine what I'm about to say. You can play it, by the way. I bet you haven't paused it anyway because you don't want to waste your time. But so let's just say if it wasn't for Jupiter, we wouldn't be here. Thank you, Jupiter. That's okay. That's over now. So basically, what happened was the sun. Jupiter was just a lonely gas giant floating around in space, no solar system. It met our solar system with 3 pupils. By pupils, I mean classmates. I mean, I'm just joking with you. Yeah. And Jupiter joined in, but then he got mad with all of them and he crushed them. And the remains of them got Earth, Mars, Venus, Uranus to join in, because the remains of those planets became our planets. Now, isn't that an amazing fact? Yeah. If it weren't for Jupiter, our beautiful planet wouldn't be here. So anyway, number 2, the theory of white holes. You know the Big Bang. You know how people don't know how it happened. There's a theory which, in a parallel universe, there was this white hole. Yeah, it had sucked in all of this mass, including light, which formed into our galaxies and our stars, and then it spat it out, all of it, and then that became our universe. So basically, what happens is if there's a black hole floating around in space, I don't know, and then you know how you eat like a roast dinner and you get all full up and you can barely walk. Well, that's what happens with a black hole. They get full up of mass and then they puke, aka they spew it out as a white hole. So get that in mind. Number 3, stars. When stars die, they either turn, if they're a small star, they turn into a black hole. Yeah. And if they're a big star, they turn into, I forgot what it's called now, some kind of star. I think it's something like a neutron star. And they're thinking, why are you making this video when you've forgotten what the stupid name of the star is? And I'm thinking, because I want to. So, yeah. So when a star, if it's a small star, it turns into a black hole. If it's a star that you can see at night, if it dies, it turns into a supernova. It's the most beautiful sight. It's almost like a massive light just suddenly shines. Because you know how supernovas, yeah. And after that, of course, black hole or neutron star. Yeah. So you probably all know what a black hole is. I just explained that in the last fact. So let me tell you what a neutron star is. A neutron star is a star that. So let me get this straight. If I got the pyramids of Giza, for example, and I compounded them into something the size of a grain of sand, or the Earth into something the size of a peanut, then that is how dense a neutron star is. So basically, if you go anywhere near it, your body will be crushed from the inside out, and you'll be dragged in. Well, you know, after you've been crushed, and then you'll be dragged into the core, and then you'll just be spat out like really far, and with all your remains, probably even fade away. That's how dense a neutron star is. How crazy is that? So, fourth fact. This is going to be a kind of short one, but it's gonna be quite interesting actually. So you know atoms in your body, yeah. Basically, there's more atoms in an average sized human than there is stars in the known universe. How crazy is that? I mean, I bet you're thinking, atoms are so tiny that there's billions in your body. What is trillions of stars in the universe? But there's more atoms. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, that's crazy. So, if I get this, yeah, like the Earth, if I get the Earth is worth about, no one really knows, it could be these extraterrestrial life they could have quintillions, sextillions of dollars, and no one really knows how much the Earth is worth. Now, some people think it's worth quintillions and trillions of dollars. But some people just think it's not worth anything, it's just ours. So let's focus on not Earth itself, but around Earth. Let's say there's like 30 comets or asteroids, whatever you call them, rocks floating around the Earth. I don't know, but there is. And like there's one which is technically it's rock, and inside is a whole big thick layer of platinum, and then there's iron. You see, that would probably be quite expensive. If you brought that back to Earth, that would be worth quite a lot. I mean, a giant asteroid full of platinum and iron. I wonder how much that is. But anyway, let's get back to the Earth itself. So, there's quite a lot of minerals and expensive crystals inside the Earth and special metals, but that doesn't make it expensive. That just makes it have a lot of minerals in. I mean, to humans, minerals are usually quite expensive. But if you tried to buy the Earth, you couldn't do it, because the Earth isn't new to rent. It's not for sale. It's ours. We already have it. The solar system already has it, and you can't buy it, unless of course you are some kind of evil mastermind which just took it with its magical vehicle or something. But of course that will never happen, because there's no such thing as a mastermind or villain, whatever you call them. So now I want to get onto oceans. I mean, I know this isn't the fact about just space and everything, but I just really wanted to put this in there. Oceans, yeah. Did you know? You might not believe this, but inside the ocean they've actually found another ocean, like one that goes like there's in the ocean, like you know how you get to that dark deep bit with all them anglerfish and dragonfish and everything, yeah. There's an ocean below that. So there's rock, there's like a layer underneath, and then there's an ocean below that. How crazy is that? Crazy. Now let me get on to my last This one's not really a fact. This one's like something that people think they found. So basically, you know the icy parts, the North Pole, South Pole. Can't remember which one it is. It's confusing. Look at that. But so basically, there was this someone, yeah, accidentally found like a hole, like a hole inside the North or South Pole, and that person looked down it, and guess what they saw? They literally saw buildings made of crystal and marble. They saw strange flying vehicles in the sky which no human had ever seen or even made, of course. And they also saw humans or creatures like humans which looked which looked a lot more beautiful than us and had no wars. And by that's telling me that could be heaven. I mean, if you're Christian, then that could be heaven. But let's leave that for now. So that is going to be the video for today, and I will see you next time. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this on a PowerPoint. It's just because, you know, it's good. Bye.